Hello guys, welcome back. In this video let's have a look on the Spherize tool. So Spherize tool is generally used to make any selection or the model into spherical shape. So let's have a look on the Spherize, which we have in the ZModeler tool. Okay, so you can select that from here in the brushes section, or you can press BZM and then hit spacebar by hovering the cursor over your polygon, because I'm just looking for the polygon action Spherize. So I'm selecting that, and then we have all polygons, which would be the default one. Just click and drag and you should be able to see some spherical shape formation. If I click and drag multiple times, you get the result. However, you can just click and drag by holding shift. Okay, but you need to first click and drag, and then while dragging hold shift, and then it turns into a full sphere. Okay, so not only that, you could also use Spherize to polygroup island. Okay, just click and drag, and then you should be able to see that circular shape. You can also extrude this faces later, so this would be of great use when you want to extrude cylinders or pipes from an existing model there. Okay, you can also try using this in different shapes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the cylinder here. Okay, and I'm going to select a few of the polygons and make it as a polygroup, and then I'm going to select the Spherize for the polygroup island, then hold shift, and then you should be able to see that nice spherical shape. Once you have achieved that, you can use the transpose tool, okay, for the polygroup island, and then you can select those polygons and then scale it like that. And to insert a spherical shape anywhere in model, you can use this. Even you can try this on characters maybe. So this model is an example one. I'm going to use the ZModeler tool. This has got subdivisions, so I'm going to remove those subdivisions first. Okay, ZModeler doesn't work for the subdivision model, so I'm going to select this model anywhere if I click. Okay, and then choose the Spherize tool for all polygons. Just click and drag, then you should be able to see that sphere is applied at the center of the model, not anywhere else. Okay, so just I'm clicking and dragging the face there, and then when I hold shift, it gives that full sphere. Okay, like that. So it makes it into complete spherical shape. Or if I don't hold shift, it just ends up making a sphere in the center of the model. Sometimes it will help you to just give that nice volume to the character. You can try using the polygroups. Okay, so I'm using the selection tool and then select those faces. Okay, so I'm going to select the polygroup here and then use the polygroup island, and then when I just click and drag, it gives that effect in that particular polygroup, not in the center of the body. Again, when I'm holding shift while doing that, it makes it complete sphere. And you should, in inorganic model, maybe this would be a quite helpful thing. However, you can just get that nice spherical shape wherever you want it in the organic characters. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you've got any questions, ask me in the comment section. I request you to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.